Forces of BSF, Forest Department and Bari Police cut down 6,500 ganja trees from Ghosh Khamar, Lekpara of Rajnagar, acting on a tip-off on Monday. On this day, forces of BSF, Forest Department and police were engaged for about 3 hours in cutting down the ganja trees. As secret information was sent to Bari police station beforehand that huge number of ganja trees was planted at Ghosh Khamar, Lekpara of Rajnagar, which is why Bari police along with Forest Department personnel and BSF force of 69 battalions started an operation at Ghosh Khamar, Lekpara of Rajnagar early on Monday morning. On this day, forces of BSF, Forest Department and police were engaged in cutting down the ganja trees for about 3 hours. That is since 4 a.m. to 7 a.m. in the morning. The worth of the ganja trees is 15 lakhs in the market.
আজকে Bari থানা BSF এবং ফরেস্ট ডিপার্টমেন্টের যৌথ উদ্যোগে ঘোষ খামার লেকপাড়া এলাকাতে প্রিমেচিওর গাঁজা গাছ আমরা ডেস্ট্রয় করি। এর মধ্যে টোটাল 6 থেকে 6,500 গাঁজা গাছ আমরা ডেস্ট্রয় করি এবং ঘটনাতেই আগুন দিয়ে নষ্ট করি। এই ইয়তে আমরা টোটাল সর্বমোট 45 জন ছিলাম।
At the end, forces of BSF, Forest Department and Bari Police burned down all the ganja trees that was cut down on this day. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.